Welcome to our channel. Today, I want to show you how to clean the speaker on the REALME C75 phone. All we need is a brush with flexible bristles. Make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard. We also need alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol is best, as it is pure and will help soften the dirt so it comes out of the speaker opening, and then it will evaporate without leaving any trace. Speaker. In this phone right here, as you can see, between the frame and the glass. And we need to clean this part thoroughly. We need to turn off the phone. Never clean the phone while it is turned on because it could get damaged. We press and hold the volume down and power buttons. Volume up and power, and we select the power off option. We wait until the phone is completely turned off. You can buy a brush like this and a diffuser on Allegro or Amazon as a set. And if you don't have one, you can just use a toothbrush, as long as it's soft or has unopened bristles. Otherwise, you might damage your phone by simply scratching the entire glass. Spray the toothbrush with alcohol. Move the phone to the side, hold it with 2 fingers so it doesn't move to make it easier. And now, with a steady motion in one direction, clean the speaker. 10 to 15 strokes in one direction and then in the other direction. Exactly the same. This should allow you to thoroughly clean the speaker. If the speaker is very dirty, it's a good idea to repeat this process. 2 to 3 times in each direction, which means 30 to 40 to 50 strokes each way. Just by changing the direction, because here it's almost every 10 to 15 strokes. That way you'll have it perfectly cleaned. And the speaker will work like new. After cleaning, leave the phone for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the alcohol evaporate, and only then can you turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in our next video.